Good day, everyone. Welcome to Emmhi Boss. Welcome to another part of Instagram growth business. So, in this part, I'll be teaching you how to create a professional logo for your Instagram page. So, the first thing you have to do, make sure you have a Canva account. So, if you don't have a Canva account, go and sign up on Canva.com. So, get your account created. So, after getting your account created, just sign up, just sign in. So, after I sign it will automatically bring you to this home page. So the first thing you have to do, as you can see, there is a search bar. Whether you are using your smartphone, it's still the same. Just put it to desktop mode. So just search for logo. As you just search for it. So you wait till it's finished loading. So as you can see, it brings out the many options here about what type of logo you want to create. So this is what we call templates, as in logo templates. So what you just have to do is just scroll down and look for the one that fits your page, whether you're entering opinion or whatever you're trying to design or logo you're trying to design for your page. Even you can even design a logo for your business. So you can just come here and just choose one. Mind you, not all templates are free here. Some are paid one that you have to subscribe to their website before you can make use of their paid version. So that's how you do it. So let's just search for one. We just want to create a web professional, simple professional page logo. So let's see which one you can use. Okay. So as you can see, there are many and beautiful template logo here that you can choose. So as for this now, you can even make use of this one for your Instagram page. So let's look for another one. So use on down to another one here that you can use for Instagram page. You just have to edit the name and put your Instagram handle there. I mean your Instagram username. So I'm still looking which one to use. I think this one it looks good. So as you can see, it will also bring out similar templates under that is you can choose, which means you can go for to. So this is Canva is the best place you can create a professional logo because I like using Canva a lot. I'm familiar with it. So click on customize this template. So you reach it's finished loading. Now, so as you can see, you just want to create a simple logo. Just in a minute, we are done. So let me just say my username is millionaire. So I can just choose Emmhi. In this place, I can just choose millionaire lifestyle. So if you don't know about this all this function are you doing, so I have a video on how to you can I have a video on Canva Basic to learn about the functions of each option. So I can just make use of it. Use it. So you can just say millionaire lifestyle. And name it. See, I don't create our professional logo. So that's it. It's just name it. You are done. You can even try and be using this to make small change. If you are doing Instagram scouting, you can make use of this. So that's all I have for you today. And if you want to download, just come here and click on share. After that, click on the download right here. Then whether you want it to be in PNG or whatever format you want it to be. So you can just choose it. So I click on the download button. Thank you. If you really enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs like and on the bell notification to learn to know more about our video. Thank you everyone.